We are on some track, but not necessarily the right track. So I would say for the AI revolution, I think we need to make our homework. We should be less dependent on American technology, both the social networks, as many of the crucial softwares, as many of the cloud services. I think if you see how the US evolves and how it's not always likely that's a partner and how all the big techs are kind of sucking up essentially to the powers that be, I think it's tricky. And I think what America did to TikTok, we should do to the American tech companies. We should say we need European variants, and we should at least ask our government and government companies to use these variants and incentivize people to do that. It's not impossible. Russia has its own digital world with their own Gmail, their own internet world with their own search engines and their own data centers. Mm-hmm. And it's a small economy. It's a very small economy. So Yandex actually worked great. So Europe should develop its own world and get away from the American tech world in that sense. I think that's also true for data centers. We have to build our own data centers and make sure we have our own capacities, that European firms can have cloud services in Europe, not in the US, because that's too tricky. We can hijack so easily by that kind of dependence.